Hi, I'm Reinaldo and welcome to Ray Purpose Made. Thank you for watching. This is my YouTube channel where I take you through my furniture making process and show you that any old piece of furniture can also be a custom piece of art. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Enjoy. Hey, are you like me and always trying to change a room around no matter how big or small it is? The bed over here, the bed over there. Do I need a desk? For me, in my house, I have a bed that's also a desk right here, and I decided that it's a little bit too tall. I've had this for about a year. This is probably the third or fourth or seventh bed I made for myself. So now I want to change this bed around. I want to turn into like a low kind of regular height bed, and I'm going to use all the pieces I have here. So my challenge today is to like repurpose something. Take this bed I already have and make it a whole new lower kind of regular bed, not a bed and a desk, just a bed. And I am going to start right now.
Please don't ask me for a translation, cause I'm only reppin' first nation. Please don't talk to me about decolonization when you still speaking in the colonizer's language. See you genocide us, then you colonize us. See you sterilize us, and now you fetishize us. See you stigmatize us, then homogenize us. Tryna co-opt the movement and gentrify us. I say no. Land back, please. Stolen land under siege. Land back, land back, land back, please. Stolen land.
This is way more pieces than would be actually needed to make the bed desk that I have. But as I was taking it apart, I remember why it was so over constructed. Before this was a bed desk, it was a tall bed for a twin size bed. Then I made it a tall bed desk for a full size bed. But even before that, it was a different bed and a different house. So the pieces kind of just accumulated on itself. But when I make this very standard, very regular full size bed, I'm going to have way less pieces than this. What I'm basically going to do is take these former legs, literally cut them in half, and this is going to be two legs on the bed. So I already have more than enough pieces because I only need two of these. Then I'm going to take these pieces behind me and figure out a way to make the platform for the bed. And then I'm all done with a lot of extra pieces.
Wadi, Chanka, Moche, Nazca, Pacha, Mama, Quechua, Aymara, Imaina Yam, Sumak, Sumakta, Aya, Kuchana, Viru, Wanta, Titi, Kaha, Uru, Bamba, Quinoa, Takna, Kaha, Marca, Ata, Walpa, Waina, Kapak, Mama, Okyo, Manko, Kapak, Sumakta, Kausa, Kusum, Paya, Mama, Ita, Purinkinchu, Kapak, Raimi, Pusak, Sutaika, Benilda, Luis Rojas, Wakpim, Pachapoyu, Kachkan, Inti, Mama Kia, Imainayam, Sky Waranka, Sky Chunka, Wenya Naikipak, Sunku Chukcha, Wakpim, Pachapoyu, Kachkan, Inti, Mama Kia, Imainayam.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Ray Purpose piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Ray Purpose. Thank you and keep watching. This is the first time I'm been able to sit on a bed and have my feet touch the floor because all the beds I had in this apartment have all been tall beds. So it's really cool to just be like ergonomic and down to the ground. When building this bed just now, it was a lot longer process than it would have been if I was doing a traditional full-size platform because this was like a makeshift, a repurpose project where I just only used pieces I already had, and I did not have enough pieces that went the full span of the bed, so I had to kind of like make some pieces that actually work. That's why this piece right there is there. That piece is extra support because it wasn't enough cross pieces that were strong enough. But the benefit to having like a kind of blockage right here is that now I have a whole bunch of storage in the back of my bed, and this part is a little bit more airy. Also, now that I no longer have a bed desk and I just have a bed, that means that I have to build myself a desk now, which was planned. I'm going to build myself a desk, and it's going to be able to sit on this bed and use the desk, or use my office chair and use the desk. So a little bit of a move around kind of thing. And like I said before, there were a lot of extra pieces. Even though I used some of the pieces to make this little structure right here, there still was a lot of extra pieces, but only saved one. That piece right there. And the reason why I saved that piece is because it's pretty cool. It wasn't damaged from being part of the bed before, and it could definitely end up being something else, something new in the future. So I may use that piece over there for who knows. But it looks a cool little art piece. Definitely gonna keep it. And here's my new bed.
Iskay warangka, iskay chungka. Winya Nike pak sunku chukcha. Reman kichu, manachu, quechua. Harawe, nyawe, kimsa. Kashkani rakmi, wari tai tai. Sutai kai inka, chuki chinchay. Please don't ask me for a translation, cause I'm only reppin' first nation. Please don't talk to me about decolonization when you still speaking in the colonizer's language. See you genocide us, then you colonize us. See you sterilize us, and now you fetishize us. See you stigmatize us, then homogenize us. Tryna co-opt the movement and gentrify us. I say no. Land back, please. Stolen land under siege. Land back, please. Stolen land under siege.